How to log in to your ZingHR account. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your ZingHR account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and here you can just search for ZingHR login. So I'm just going to search for ZingHR login. Hit enter. Now you'll have an option to log into the self-service portal or the portal dashboard. So go ahead and open up the first link that you see. And from here on the top right corner, you'll have an option to log in. So just tap on login. Now it will take you directly to the login portal. Now here you'll have to enter your company code. And then once you enter your company code, then you'll have an option to enter your employee code. And then simply enter your password down below. So once you have done all of that, if you want the browser to remember you, make sure to click on this option, and next time you log in, your browser will remember your login info. So after everything is done, tap on login. And if somehow you forgot your password, you can click on this option to reset your password. It will send you a reset link to your email or phone number, whatever you've added while you logged in. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.